Good morning, stock traders. This is the Stock Sumo over at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com, and today's Wednesday, August 14th, and we're going to do an update on IceWEB Inc. That's ticker symbol IWEB, trading on the OTCBB. We put this one on alert back here in the beginning of July, and it's had some great runs for us. The stock has been holding up nicely, and I want to point out some of these key indicators on the chart. First thing is this RSI. The RSI is coming off of being slightly oversold, and it's starting to head back up. The RSI is showing us some strength. Notice the last two times the RSI reached up into the power zone, we've seen a breakout in the stock price. Right here, when we first initiated our coverage, the stock made a big move from the mid twos all the way up to the mid 3 range. Consolidated, came and it held support off of the 20 DMA, and then we shot back up all the way to the 4-cent range. Had another consolidation. Notice this consolidation, we maintained a higher low than this previous consolidation. So all along the month of July, we've been hitting higher highs, higher lows. This is a really good sign that the stock is maintaining its uptrend. Yeah, there's been some red days where we've consolidated, the stock has pulled back, but notice that it held support and it shot right back up. Right here, end of July, early August, after the run to 4 cents, IceWEB consolidated, found support right off of the 50 DMA, and then got back above the 20 DMA and tested a new high. And that's where we ran into our previous resistance, just short of the 200 DMA. And we've been watching that 200 DMA as a resistance level all along. In our previous video charts that we put out, we spotted that that 200-day moving average is going to be a key resistance level. And moving forward, that's still our key resistance level at 0425. And if IceWEB can break through that 200-day moving average, I'd like to see it hold support above it. Often previous resistance levels become future levels of support. Just like what we've seen here, this level of support off of our 20 DMA, that was a previous resistance level right back here. And right back here in May, the stock had a tough time getting above that 032 range. And now that we've broke above that 032, it's been holding as support. So I'd like to see that 20 DMA continue to hold as support, currently sitting at 0321. And moving forward, if we can break through the resistance at 0425, that's going to be a key sign. And below our 20 DMA, we have support at our 50 DMA at 028. The other key indicator that I want to point out here is the MACD is currently pinching, getting ready for a cross. Notice the last time the MACD crossed over, the stock was at its bottom and we had a big run up. So now that the MACD is pinching, getting ready for a cross, the histogram is also getting ready to flip over to the bullish side. We want to keep an eye on those two indicators, and those are setting up nicely for us. One other key thing I want to point out here is IceWEB had some news out today. We're going to go over to Yahoo Finance, take a look at IceWEB, and this is right here from this morning. Large cloud services provider chooses IceWEB storage for medical records infrastructure. So this is good. It's increasing their business flow, which is going to increase their revenue stream. And this is fresh out today, Wednesday, 8 a.m. So this news is untraded on. So let's see how the market reacts today to this news release from IceWEB. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to stop by our blog at BlueHorseshoeStocks.com. And while you're visiting our site, read our disclaimer for disclosure purposes.